Want to know how to schedule messages or mails to be sent in Shortwave? So in Shortwave, you can also schedule the mails that you want to send to other contacts easily in just under a few clicks. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Shortwave application or the website, and you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, you can just simply in order to schedule a mail, you need to compose a mail first. So simply like compose right here, and you can just simply type in who do you want to send the mail to, and add your subject, and then add your body. And now in order to schedule it, you can just simply see this drop down icon, just simply like that, and here you should be saying schedule send. And now once you have the schedule send, here you can schedule as you want. So you can pick a time, or you can just simply do this as default and then send it just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.